that
Wow.
4 years of experience, then whatever practical assignment I'm going to give it to you, that you have to solve. Then only you can manage the query of your consultant or maybe your client, right? So
Yeah.
that will be like a 50-50 partnership between you and me. So you also have to work on it,
Correct.
right? So then
Yeah.
only
So
you can
basically, my
manage.
background is in PeopleSoft HRMS or more
Mm,
of PeopleSoft and
then
also
it
at
will
least,
be,
yeah, that
yeah,
understanding is there,
yeah.
a bit of it,
And
and
it will
also
be the
team lead and
it will be the
experience.
advantage for you as well. Let's see, you are into the PeopleSoft. The Anil Bhusri and the person they were invented
Yeah,
Workday, they
yeah,
were
yeah.
working with the
The
PeopleSoft. So it is
concept
also
is quite
product. Okay,
similar.
yeah,
Yeah.
it is quite similar. A lot of people from our previous classes, they came from the same background, PeopleSoft, and for them it is more easier to understand Workday than other people, because somehow it is similar. Just Workday is on the
Different
cloud
product.
phone, yeah, I mean on the cloud base. So, and generally people who are having the ERP experience, not just PeopleSoft but any Oracle or SAP, it is an advantage for them, because at the end it is just the application you are using,
Hmm.
right? You already know, I mean, the processes for hiring, already process of configuration. I'm talking about the people who are having the ERP experience. They already know how those things manage, how the modules are, and it is easier for them. Just the navigations are different, otherwise the basic fundamentals are everywhere same. Yeah,
Yeah, right.
so just practice. If you do the hands-on practice, automatically it will connect the dots during the course.